Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. If you think phone display sizes are getting out of hand, literally, we have some good news. The iPhone 12 is expected to come in a very compact 5.4 inch size. According to Mac Rumors, forum user Isaac bought a 5.4 inch iPhone 12 dummy and provided a size comparison between it and the original iPhone SE. The iPhone 12 delivers a much larger screen than both handsets without the bulk. For those who don't remember, the original iPhone SE had a 4 inch display, while the iPhone 7 had a 4.7 inch panel similar to the iPhone SE 2020. As you can see, the iPhone 12 is smaller than the iPhone 7 despite having a larger 5.4 inch screen. The reason for the iPhone 12's just right size is that it loses the Touch ID or home button on the iPhone SE and iPhone 7, and that it features very narrow bezels compared to those phones. The iPhone 12 will use Face ID, which takes up a lot less room than the Touch ID. There is also a rumor that the notch on the iPhone 12 will be smaller than the iPhone 11, but that's not confirmed. Isaac admits that going from a 4 inch screen on the original iPhone SE to the 5.4 inch panel on the iPhone 12 is a stretch, but that it feels a lot more manageable because the square profile and flat side let you actually grip the device. Based on multiple iPhone 12 reports and leaks, Apple will offer flat sides, similar to the iPhone 5 and iPad Pro 2020. This should make the phone easier to hold and use with one hand. If the iPhone 12 dummy unit is accurate, Isaac claims that it is about 6mm wider than the iPhone SE and about 3mm thinner than the iPhone 7. The iPhone 12 will come in two other sizes. The 6.1 inch iPhone 12 Max should share the same specs as the iPhone 12. The iPhone 12 Pro should also be 6.1 inches, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max is rumored to be 6.7 inches. Producing a 5.4 inch iPhone 12 would seem like a gamble, but given that it's also rumored to start at just $649 and possibly as cheap as $549 for a 4G version, it could be the perfect iPhone in terms of size and value for a lot of people. In terms of other hardware, the iPhone 12 is expected to feature an A14 Bionic processor, 4GB of RAM, and a choice between 128GB or 256GB of storage. Like the iPhone 11, this model will rely on dual rear cameras. According to a separate report, the iPhone 12 will feature a new 7-part lens for the main camera, which would be an upgrade from the 6-part lens on the iPhone 11 series. The extra lens should result in better photo quality and reduce distortion. It's also widely expected that the new iPhone 12 will add a new lens, a lighter time of flight sensor. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.